Good morning, friends. Oh gosh, another day has passed. And today is a new day na naman. So today, I'm going to finish decorating downstairs for Christmas decoration kasi I'm not going to decorate our rooms kasi we'll just be sleeping there. So ano lang, downstairs lang. Tapos bumili kami ni Ruki kahapon. Pumunta kami ng 138, bumili kami ng mga Christmas decorations, yung Christmas lights, saka yung garland. Yung kulang na lang namin kasi meron na kami from last year, from mga nagdaan na year. So yun, and I need to finish that one para ma-finish kasi na guys, today is December 15 na. So dapat tapos na yung lahat ng decorations natin, di ba? So I am also doing a light makeup because I'm planning to film an intro on a video that I will be the video's already done, but I don't have an intro for it yet, so I'm planning to do that one as well. Hopefully magawa ko, but I'm planning to not use my ring light, not my ring light, my DSLR. I'm just going to use my phone para mas mabilis, and I'm going to film it sa baba lang, yung sa my Christmas tree namin, siguro. I'm not sure. So I have my tripod, cellphone tripod. Then I'm just going to get my ring light kasi I'll be needing this one kasi medyo or I don't know, sa labas na lang ako, pero maingay kasi sa labas, kaya dito na lang sa loob. Oh, it's so hard to get. Ayan, so let's just go downstairs, guys, and yeah, eat first before tayo mag-finish ng decorate kasi hindi pa ako nakapag breakfast. So let's eat breakfast first. There's the Christmas decoration. Yun nga, like I said, tapos na yung Christmas tree namin, pero I need to put some ribbons pa. Ito yung binili namin ni Ruki sa 138 yesterday. Ang dami. It's only 1,000 pesos, pero ang dami namin nabili. And also, I'm going to hang this one sa loob lang kasi this is made out of carton. Pag umulan, goodbye. So, yan. Maglalagay na muna ako ng ribbon. Tapos dyan, garland dyan sa hopefully makabit ko ng maayos. Hopefully.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
Already attached the garland there. Ang hirap. Oh my God. Took me forever. You did that help me?
I'm just gonna finish it off with mascara.
What's up, man? Finally, natapos na din ako. Grabe. Ito lang yung ginawa ko. Pero, it was so hard. Because I'm lifting up my arms. Ayun ba? Mahirap pala mag-lift ng arms. Oy. Diba? Diba, ate, no? Tapos, Baba help me and Ate help me also. So, yan, tapos na. And then we done some cleaning. Pero hindi pa rin. Kakain muna ako, guys, kasi I'm so hungry already. Garland natin. Yan lang, simple lang. I'm not going to put some Christmas lights kasi baka mabigat na tapos hindi na kaya. Tapos on the other side, yan lang. Simple. And then my beautiful daughter, who is Sasha? Whoa, thanks, Ten. Ate. That's our tree again. Yeah, wala na yung bahay ni Miguel. Kawaiso. Finally, eating time na guys. Grabe. So, my food today is this one. So, ayan yung foodie natin. Cucumber and breast chicken. And I also have coffee. But I'm gonna also eat bread and, yeah, cheese. Together with this one. Itadakimasu! So, this is our dinner. Kinain na namin. Tapos na Suruki, kami na lang ni Baba. And I also have coffee again. So, binigay ito ng pinsan ko kasi graduation ni Clarice Nicole, yung pinsan ko. So, this one is from Max Chicken. Ang sarap guys. Chicken. So, we're just eating, me and Baba. Wow, the tree is so beautiful.
Like me.
What? Pillar.
No.
Pillar ka ba? Pet, NEQILLA, nilayas natin si Nico. Mandy! Mandy! Hey, where's your pet? Where is your pet, bro? Hindi siya ganahan ni mo.
May pasiya.
Nico! That's our Christmas tree from the outside. Ayan. Looks nice. Very, very cheap from 138. Ano lang yan? 219 pesos. Yeah, diba? I guess that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna say good night na kasi I wanted to, you know, I wanted to do something kasi may gagawin pa ako. So, if I'm going, baka makalimutan kong say good night later. So, I'm just gonna say good night from me and Miguel na nandoon sa labas. Tumilip. So, yeah. Malapit na yung Christmas. I am so excited to eat something. I don't know. I'm still planning to what we are going to cook for Noche Buena, but I don't know kung matutuloy yung Christmas party namin or yung exchanging gift pala namin. So, let's see. But yeah, that's it. I'm excited to because I'm planning to make a cream cheesecake. Yeah, yun yung gusto ko sanang gawin sa Noche Buena. So, yeah! I hope you have a wonderful and a great day as always. Hi, stay! And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile, and I will see you on my next video. Merry Christmas! Woo!